If you are getting the finals error code TFLA0002, then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Link your Steam account with the Embark Studio. Linking your Steam account with your Embark ID is the most effective fix mentioned by the gaming community to the TFLA0002 error code in the finals, as this error usually indicates a problem with the account authentication. Open id.embark.games from your web browser. This will take you to the Embark Studio website. Choose your option from Steam, PlayStation and Xbox. Here, we are selecting Steam. Sign in with your Steam account name and password. Now create a new Embark account if you do not have an Embark ID. If you already have an Embark ID, log into your account with the same link. Try to launch the finals again to see if the TFLA0002 error code remains. If the problem persists, please move on. To create a new Embark ID, fill in the form and click on the Continue button. A verification code will be sent to your email account. Verify your email and proceed. From the next page, select Connected Platforms. Once we have clicked on it, the new page opened and it's telling me to unlink the Steam account. This means our Steam account is linked to the Embark account. Once the accounts are linked, launch the game and see if the error is fixed. Method 2. Unlink the Steam and Embark account and relink via game. If you get the same error on the finals again, unlink the Steam account from the Embark Studio account. Then reload the game and relink the accounts via the game. For this, go to the Embark Studio again as shown in the above method. If you are asked to log in again. If you are already logged in, then select Connected Platforms. Click on the Unlink button next to Steam. Read the instructions carefully. They will ask you to type Unlink in the provided field and continue. So type it and click on the Confirm button. Once you have successfully unlinked the accounts, launch the game. Then relink and launch the game. Now see if the game is working fine. Now they may ask you if you have played the finals before. Select the option. Then click on the Create Account option to create a new Embark ID. Now, here you can see that the ID has been created. Click on the Continue button. This should link the Steam ID to the Embark ID. Once done, launch the game and see. But you will lose all the game progress and the game will start from scratch. Method 3. Check your internet connection. If you are still getting the error, then make sure you have a stable internet connection while playing the finals. Check the internet speed from speedtest.net. You can restart the router or the modem to fix the issue primarily. So turn off the router or modem and disconnect it from the power source. Allow a few minutes before reconnecting everything. Now turn on the router or modem and check if this has fixed the problem. Method 4. Check the game server. Due to server outages, you can also face such errors while playing the finals. You can reach the finals Twitter account or Discord server. Here, the developers keep updating the players on the game's performance issues. If there is any server outage, wait till the problem gets fixed. Method 5. Turn on or off your VPN service. In case you are using a VPN while playing, you can turn off your VPN service and check if this helps. Alternatively, if you are not using any VPN service, use one and then relaunch the game. Method 6. Flush DNS and reset your internet. Type command prompt in the start menu and right-click on the command prompt option. Choose the Run as Administrator option. Now copy and paste the following line of commands in the elevated command prompt window. Hit enter after each command. ipconfig/flushdns, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh int ip reset, netsh winsock reset. Once you finish running all the commands, exit command prompt and relaunch Steam. Launch your game and see if the issue is fixed. Method 7. Reinstall the finals. If no other method could help you fix the game error, reinstall the finals. Right-click on the game from Steam library and select the Manage option. Select Uninstall. Once done, go to the game installation folder and delete it. Once you delete it, reinstall the game to a different drive and check if the issue is fixed. And there you have it. The 7 solutions to fix the final error code TFLA0002. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.